got one. Do you know what this is? Okay, you guys just stay there. The kids are right there. So we got it. The Note 9. You know which one I've got? I've got this one. The Note 3. Look at the look, just the box alone. Look at this difference on the box alone. Anyway, we're gonna open this because I got this today. The 8th of June. 2019. Today is the day that I am the proud owner of a Samsung Galaxy Note 9. So anyway, the Note 9, okay? The Note 9. The Note 9. Get the hell out. Get the hell out of here. Note 9. Let's have a look. What does it reveal? What does it... Samsung have made this, like, all their boxes since the first one, they've been impossible to get into, you know? Why is it so hard to get into a box? Look, here we go. Look at this. Look what they put on. Why Samsung? Why do you need this? You know, this hollow thing. And then you get this. All is revealed. Little tab thing here. Pull that out. I don't know what that is. Look at it. Oh, okay, I'm just... Look at this. I mean, you guys know me. The yellow wafer. You know me. You know, what one would I have to get? You know which one. The one with the yellow pen. I know, look at the yellow pen. The one with the yellow and gold pen. Look what they've put in here. This is a big packaging for just this tiny stuff. Okay, we got the old, obviously the quick guide. And then they give you this little pin thing here. That's to actually put your new SIM card into... the thing. With all the new phones, they don't actually have any opening thing. There's the little sleeve thing. Let's reveal that. That one comes off quite easily, and then this side here, there it is, coming off. Everyone loves to see the plastic come away. And then you get other things like AKG headphones. I don't think I'll ever use these. Yeah, nice. What the hell is this thing? Made in Vietnam. Oh, these are the rubber things for the different sizes for this. And then, oh, obviously this is the important bit. USB charging cable. It's pretty long. Yeah, it's pretty long. Look at that. That's a meter. From here to here is supposed to be a meter. So that's a meter, and it's a bit longer than that. Samsung, that's good. And then we have, this is the miniaturized port. If you have got the old style things and they're not compatible, so you can make it compatible, which is good. It's a good thing. What else do we have? There's this clip thing here, which is called Other. I don't know what this does though. I have no idea what you do with that. We've got a plug, which I am going to use. The only thing is everything's changing now, you know, to this new C. Everything's become that. Anyway, so SIM card goes in here. I know this is not a endorsement or anything, or a paid video, but I am, in case you're wondering, I am going on Ease Network. Where's that metal thing? Right, and then the SIM card goes in here. There's a little thing, you put this metal thing inside this hole. Push that, and then you pull this bit out of here. And that's where your memory card and your thing would go. It's a nano SIM card that's got to go in here, which is the smallest size SIM card. It's like tiny, tiny, tiny. Base side just goes on like that. You chuck that straight in there. Boom. SIM card is in. This is beautiful. This is really nice. I really like this mirrored edge finish that this has. Looks delicious. Look how good that looks. That looks absolutely lovely. So I've waited so long to get it as well. And if you guys are wondering, I got the offer from a company called affordablemobiles.co.uk. Not available in the United States, I don't think. But basically, they got me this phone with a new contract, 30 gig of data, unlimited minutes, unlimited text for a whopping, an absolute fantastic £36 a month. I didn't pay 1p for this. So if you're in the market for a brand new Samsung Note 9 or an S10 or any of the new Samsung phones, affordablemobiles.co.uk. I can't rate them enough. What I generally do is I actually put the phone on charge and see if it's 100% or not, or where it's at. But I like to keep the boxes. I've actually got, I think, every single box to every single phone I have ever bought. It's just a thing. I don't know if anyone else does. If you do it, let me know in the comment section down below. Anyway, let's see what the battery's like on it. Okay, so the charge port is just here. And what is it saying? What are we looking like for power? It's doing something. Let's see. Oh, if it says 100%, we can. Oh, you see that? You see that? See, every manufacturer of every single phone, when you get them brand new, they always have up to 75% charge. And what they say is if you plug them in to charge them and don't switch them on, you will actually get 25% more battery power over the course of you owning the device than if you just switched it on as soon as you got it. That's going to be the opening and unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. I will do another video on how I'm getting on with the phone. Anyway, don't forget to go check out the sponsors down below. We've got obviously the awesome Cinch Gaming CD keys, and not forgetting those infamous people over at Razer.com. Also the T4 Army merchandise. Don't forget to snag something awesome from the store with free shipping. Have a look, see what we got on at the moment. Also a massive shout out to G2O.com, and not forgetting those infamous people over at G4G and Streamlabs, keeping us donations lit, live and streamlined. So if you guys ever fancy donating to my streams when you watch them, that'll be great. Or if you're just watching this video and you're like, hey, I might donate to this guy, do it today. Also, not forgetting the gaming pad. Please come and check us out over at facebook.com and also on our website. We basically do the most awesome gaming parties you can ever have. So come and check us out, the gaming pad, DA gaming pad, over at facebook.com. Like the page, tell me what you think. Anyway, I will see you guys on the next one. But until then, guys, as always, stay safe, stay awesome, and peace.